Your office is your first visual touch point for your prize clients. And overall, it looks pretty good, except for the sanitizing bottle that you have. Your sanitizing bottle, it requires everyone to touch in the same place, creating a communal touching area to spread germs and other things. As well as it deteriorates and frankly destroys the aesthetic of your lobby. But we wanted to change that. We wanted to make a product that would really help. We call that the Stainless Sanitizer. This is completely touchless, so there's no community touch contact area, no spreading of germs. It also adds to the aesthetic of your store to improve your client's experience. We want to help solve these problems with the Stainless Sanitizer product. It will make your business better. So click on the button below or to the side to talk to our team today.